Hi, Hornets. Happy Wednesday. It is our first Wednesday with grade reflections for trimester 3, and I'm really excited that our core value focus this week is responsibility because it fits perfectly with our new grade reflection. So in Google Classroom, your advisor has posted this new grade reflection, so you'll need to have this open as well as being logged into Student Portal. And when you're in Student Portal, I know many of you are going to see grades similar to these as we have just started the trimester. However, we know as the trimester goes on, sometimes we struggle with subjects, sometimes we get behind if we're sick, and we just want you to be able to feel confident with your reflections and really take responsibility if you aren't doing well. So when we look at our new grade reflection, you'll see some changes. The first change is that there is an F reflection as soon as you open. And for me as a student, I have to take responsibility that I already have an F in Mr. Carpenter's class. So I have gone in and I have typed in that the class I have an F in is math with Mr. Carpenter. My first reflection question is asking me what I was confused about that has caused me to earn an F. And I'm confused about distribution with fractions. This has caused me to earn an F because I'm struggling with the mastery checks. So I know that this is what I need help with, and if I get help, I'm gonna pass. The second question is asking me about what I feel confident in order to pass this class with a C. I know how to distribute with whole numbers, so I feel confident that with tutoring, I can understand distribution with fractions. The third question is asking, what supports do you need, whether that's from your advisor, your teacher, your family? And I know my advisor, Ms. Cast, is going to sign me up for tutoring, but I have to let her know. So support I need from my advisor and Mr. Carpenter is to be signed up for tutoring. And in order for me to pass this class, because I don't want to go into the trimester 3, not next grade level, I want to be ready to kick butt in 8th grade. So in order to pass math, I need to keep asking for help and not being afraid to be signed up for tutoring. This will help me pass because I feel confident in my learning. What this F reflection allows Ms. Cast, my advisor, to see is what I'm struggling with, what I am doing well with, and what I need help in. The second part of our trimester 3 finish strong reflection is around attendance. So our goal is to be at 95% attendance. So when I go to Student Portal, I'm going to scroll all the way past my schedule and I'm going to see I'm at a 94.1%. So I'm almost at a 95%, but not quite there. So I'm going to type in, I was at 94%. And now it's asking me what are reasons that my attendance was above or below 95%. Well, the reason I know my attendance was below 95% last week is I forgot I had a doctor's appointment during science, and I'm gonna show integrity. I'm gonna be honest. I did choose to take a nap during PE. I'm sorry. I'm gonna work on that. Oh, I know we got to finish strong. Next grade level, I shouldn't have done that. So in order to make sure I have a 95% attendance in the next, well, the first thing, in order to make sure I have 95% attendance in all classes is I need to be present, online, participating, and doing my work. No more naps during PE. All right. This way my advisor can see I'm showing integrity. I am not lying, but I know I can do that. Then as we continue, it's the same grade reflection that we've had all year. Something new that you will see for both math and literacy is you're going to add in how many iReady minutes you've completed on Wednesdays because again, next grade ready, we need to complete those iReady minutes. And then last but not least, instead of having your paycheck reflection in your planner, you're going to have your paycheck reflection be here. So one place for your advisor to check all of your work. And we can't wait to see all of your reflections and have a great start to our trimester 3 and by showing responsibility to get next grade ready.